You wanna... Just kidding.
Meow. Ha ha. Ha.
I could have sworn when you're trying to attack something or somebody, it's supposed to be like secretive.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What the f? Do a flip! It's loose. Oh, god damn. Wow.
Welcome.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs. Whoa. What am I supposed to do all day while you're at school?
I don't know. What do you normally do when I'm gone?
Wait for you to get back.
Nice to meet you.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the
Nice to
way
meet
he
you.
is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. Mm-hmm.
Whoa, what the hell is you doing?
Oh my God.
We ain't never did that before. Why you thought today was the day to do that?
No, wait, hang on, stop. You don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy.
Welcome to TikTok's newest contest. Show me your cat is absolutely the cutest.
Oh, look at my little boy.
Emma, call the damn cops.
Dude. Lee, y'all stop feeding this fucking dog, man.
I told her, bro, I'm gonna call the cops.
What the f?
Come here, Cliff. Cliff. Come here.
Apparently, if your dog runs to the phone, he would help another dog.
Mama?
I was walking in the forest and then I saw this.
Did you quit?
The groomers? Do you? You have to go to the groomers, baby. Oh.
How'd you sleep last night?
Give it a blow.
New favorite activity.
Hey, what's up? What's up, man? What? Hey, motherfucker. Hey, y'all, hold up. Chill out. I got you. Mike, stop playing, Mike.
I can clearly see you.
Hit him. Hey.
Elsa's very friendly. Go and say hello. Look at Elsa. Elsa's made a new friend. Oh, thank you for letting them meet.
All right, yeah.
It's just that Elsa loves everybody.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little biz.
Jesus. Beastie. Oh my god. Beastie. Are you okay?
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is.
Subscribe and like this video in 3 seconds. And this adorable cat will give you a heartwarming hug. 3, 2, 1.
Do you ever hang out with your dog and it's awkward?
From Wish. Yeah, I know a pit when I see one. That gotta be a pit.
No, Goose, what is that on your paw right there?
Okay, take me for a walk. Take me for a walk. Where are we going? Okay.
Meow! 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 Ah! Meow! 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 Meow!
It's loose.
What, are you done with my kisses now?
Hmm.